US crude and NG both has taken a strong dump or good drop yesterday. Now, what to expect today? Whether this is the bottom they have seen and will they rise from here, or are we going to see again a good drop? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out our positions to take, whether to buy, where to buy, whether to sell, where to sell. Everything we're gonna know with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude WTI and then followed with NG. Now look at the hourly charts. Lower lows are shown here. The highs are very well limited between confined between 85.3. Yes, above 85.5 you can expect it to rise. The first destination should be at 86, and then once it trades above 86.5, certainly you can expect that we may see a little more bullish momentum. Now see how it is behaved on the hourly charts. You will find bearish drop, then consolidation or traded sideways, then a bearish drop. Now probably either it may trade sideways before it tries to take a direction. If it reverses from here, certainly we may see it hitting 88, which is definitely a very strong resistance, and beyond that again it will fly high. The directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic was trading oversold, now looking forward to a little rise. The MACD is trading extremely bearish. Probably we may see it converge and cross over for a buy entry. The RSI is oversold, hence a little rise cannot be denied. On the 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, two red candles, negative slope, red candles again trying to trade with a slope. Yes, until and unless it trades above 88, I will not confirm that it is trying to trade bullish. But yes, possibility exists that it may break that barrier. We have to wait for it to break past those levels. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold on the 2 hour chart. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is oversold too. So most indicators are oversold for crude oil WTI. Look at the 3 hour charts too. Now interesting thing on the 2 hour 3 hour charts, you will find that this is the bottom, double bottom it is achieved on the 3 hour charts. Now there is a probability that in fact even if it has to trade bearish, it may try to give you head and shoulders, which means 90 levels cannot be denied. So yes, that is one probability, and hence you can buy at 85.5, expect 86.1, 86.5, 87, and then beyond that 88 levels to be good resistance. In fact, it can rise for 89.2. Directional movement extremely bearish and divergent, stochastic oversold. And if you look at the MACD, this is extremely bearish, this is extremely divergent. It has seen the lows out there. Possibility of a reversal from here exists, and hence we may see green candle. The RSI too is oversold, and hence a rise cannot be denied there. Now look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, it has breached the trend definitely when it was at 88. Now it is trying to trade bearish. So yes, you can buy there at 85.5 and then expect 88.1, 88.2 maximum resistance zone, and beyond that we may see it flying high for 90 and plus levels. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic is oversold, and if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish, it is looking downwards. The RSI is oversold too. And now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find on the daily charts, interestingly, it has formed double top. See, rise, really, retracement, double top, and now looking downwards also, it is broken the bearish channel, which indicates that probably once it drops below 84.5, you can expect further more bearishness. Remember 84, 82, very strong support levels. Below 82, it is going to breach below 80 and may achieve the bottom there at 75. Be cautious and alert. It is right now trading in the box. Directional movement is crossed over for a bearish move. Stochastic looking vertically downwards. The MACD has crossed over for a sell. This is the first red candle. Hence, probability bearishness cannot be denied, and RSI looking downwards. So, see mixed indications on multiple time frames when it comes to daily charts. It is still has the possibility for it to continue with the bearish momentum. While we see the minor time frames like 4H, 3H, 2H, 1H, you can find that there is a possibility of an uprise that is trading oversold. If you combine these two, there is a possibility of a retracement throughout the day, and maybe with the US cash session or maybe with the inflation data, it may continue with the drop there. and hence you can take your trades accordingly. Sell at 84.5, buy at 85.5. Below 84.5 you can expect 84 as the maximum support, 83.5 the next support. Below that it is going to hit 82.6, 82.1 levels, and below that it is going to continue further bearish, which may take it till towards 80.2 and below 80 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, NG on the hourly charts first supported 5.95, then 6.05, and now 6.1. Yes, if you see it trading above 6.12 levels, you can expect that we are looking at least to 6.15 and then to 6.25 levels. Beyond 6.25, it can certainly show stronger bullish momentum, which might take it till towards 6.4 levels and plus levels. Only bullish confirmation is if it trades above 6.45. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over for a bullish move, indicating little strength there. RSI is also trading comfortable with slightly bullish bias. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, see these candles there, you will find that this is consolidation, and once it breaks past 6.12 levels, definitely you can expect that we are looking forward to a good rise. 6.2, 6.25 levels cannot be denied, and in fact it can fly high till towards 6.3, 6.4 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD on the verge of a bullish crossover, it is trading on the sell side, and RSI trading near to the bottom. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts here. Now see, previous few candles, lower lows are done. Now if you look at last few candles, higher lows, higher highs. 6.2 definitely very good resistance, and then 6.3, 6.4 till 6.4, 6.5 zone. If it breaks, certainly you can expect more bullishness till 6.4, 6.5. I will not consider this as bullish. Stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge. I will wait for it to cross over for the bullish momentum confirmation, and RSI trading at the bottom. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, it is waiting to breach past 6.12, and till then time it is giving you lower highs, higher lows. Beyond 6.12, you can expect 6.15 and the levels which I had shared earlier. The same at the same time on the downside, 5.9 is giving it a very strong support. Yes, you can sell there at 6.05 level, and below that you can expect 6, 5.95, 5.9, and below that we may see a further drop. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading at bottom, looking forward to a rise. MACD is bearish, RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, this was the highs at 7.2. We expected it to achieve these levels, but it achieved this at the opening of the week itself, closed all the shorts out there, and then since then traded bearish, now pushing forward to pushing the longs to close there with a sharp drop for last 3 days. Now see, it can come back till here somewhere at 6.2, and then possibly indicating a reversal may rise from here again, and hence you should buy at 6.15, stay long, but remember 6.2, 6.35, 6.4 maximum resistance. Beyond that it is going to fly high. There is a bearish cross which we can see on the directional movement. The stochastic is looking vertically down. The MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross. I will wait for it to cross over. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, you can buy at 6.15 and sell at 6.05. On the downside till 5.9, you have to stay alert. Below 5.9, definitely it is going to show you very strong move. On the upside beyond 6.2, you can expect a good rise, but then expect 6.35, 6.4 zone to provide a maximum resistance. Then 6.5 levels will come into picture. Beyond that, it is going to definitely fly high. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Always remember, stop loss is a friend. So take your trades accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.